Alright, what's going on everyone? In this video I'm going to be taking off the intake manifold and the valve cover off of the engine, and we're going to be inspecting the head more for all the damage. Probably going to first start off with this chain. Okay. It's scary seeing a motor fucking tilt down towards you like that. Okay, we're gonna have to cut the zip tie. And I think that's really it. There's one hose. Zip tie be gone. Okay, I already see a ring that I have no idea what it goes to, so that's already gonna be fun. 3, working on 4, and 5 is missing. God, that's hilarious. So many things missing on this fucking motor. Okay. Like I said, it's just that hose. So let's try to put this back in place for a sec so I can grab the proper tool. Now that this intake manifold is off, it is no longer going to be the color orange. Uh-oh. Oh. Why do you have to be like that? Oh no, that's not going my way. Bruh. I'm dropping everything, bruh. Why is this one tighter than the rest?
That's what she said.
Okay, I think we can just go ahead and take this off. I loosen every one, ready to come off. Oh boy. And yeah, that's some bad damage right there. But it looks like everything else is fine. More chunks of the block falling out of my hands. But yeah, look at that. That looks fucked. Here's the rest of the head though. Thought I had to turn it up on that one. Shit. Oh. Oh. Ooh. No way, mate. That retarded. There's 2 more of these that I didn't even see in the center. You know, I don't feel like using strength. This thing literally can't be connected anywhere else. Dude, this dude did not give a fuck about putting this JB weld on or whatever this sealant is. He got this all inside. Oh, and there's more to this. There's another chunk broke. Yeah, this whole chunk's broken too.